Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create rose quartz nails. I recently posted a photo on my Instagram page of a rose quartz look I did using gel polish, and I've never had a higher requested video, so here we are. Since a majority of people use a regular nail polish, I figured it was fitting to start off showing you how to achieve this look with a regular polish. Make sure to check back in, as I will have a separate tutorial on how to get this look with gel polish. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. I'm starting off by applying a light pink milky type of polish and going in with 3 coats. I chose this type of polish in comparison to an opaque cream because rose quartz has a similar look, being a little bit see-through and not fully opaque. Once I've applied the 3 coats, I'm sealing the base down with top coat. The detail work will be done using 2 different types of brushes. The first one is an old nail art brush that I've had for quite some time, and it has some frayed bristles, which is actually really perfect for this type of look. This look is all about being imperfectly perfect, and having a brush with jagged bristles like this will actually help to create dimension. Next, you'll want a very thin nail art liner brush to tweak things as we go to add some definition to certain areas. I'm starting off by using the frayed bristle brush and applying white diluted acrylic paint onto the nail, ensuring not to keep my lines straight. Rose quartz naturally has a jagged veining going all throughout in different directions, so I'm trying my best to mimic that. Next, I've dipped my brush into some rubbing alcohol and gently tapping over the lines to dilute the white acrylic paint even further. Rose quartz has a lot of dimension, so slowly building layers will help to achieve a multi-dimensional look. I'm going in again and adding more acrylic paint and continuing the process to dilute it with rubbing alcohol. It might seem a bit tedious, but it truly does help to build dimension and blur the harsh lines out. Next, I'm taking the thin liner brush, and with very little white acrylic paint, I'm adding thinner lines to the edges of the blurred lines. Again, going back and forth between adding and diluting to create dimension. The more these steps are repeated, the better the final result will look. Once you're happy with the final result, seal in your design with top coat. So here we have the final and completed look, and I really hope you all found this tutorial to be something achievable. These steps may seem a little tedious, but in the end, it's so worth it for the final result. Stay tuned, as I'll be posting a video soon where I show you how to achieve this look with gel polish. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to share it with anyone else who you feel might like it. Also, feel free to subscribe for more fun nail art if you aren't already. I hope to see you guys back in my next one, and until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!